Hello and welcome. If you look at the most recent plan of ChatGPT and you click on Upgrade Plan, you're going to see that there are three different plans now available when previously there had been two. The free plan still does give you access to the most recent model. You also have limited access to the features of file uploads, advanced style analysis, and image generation. You can also use custom GPTs. The paid version is still an upgrade, giving you more access to all of the same tools, including limited access to the Sora video generation, as well as the reasoning models O1 and O1 Mini. There is now a Pro version, which gives you everything that you had in Plus, more access to all of the same tools, including higher limits. One of the benefits of this means that you will have more access to advanced voice and video inputs, which cause you to use your limits faster. And depending on which plan you use, you will have access to everything. You just may have limitations on what you can use. So for the sake of this course, we are going to operate using the Plus plan so that we can look at Sora, so that we can also look at advanced voice and video inputs, and so that we can look closely at the desktop version, which allows you access to many of the tools in the Plus version, although there are slight variations in both the Mac and Windows PCs for that desktop version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.